This was around March of 1973.
Right.
Kasi 72 yung kwan. Nag-hook up na ako sa mga aktivista ron. Kasi I missed the FQS. Para kung neophyte.
So, pero parang uhaw ka rin, naghahanap ka.
Oo, naghahanap ka rin.
Yeah.
So yung may mga nanggagaling dito na first quarter storm ng mga graduates, nag-hook up na kami sa New York.
Do you remember some of their names?
Sila Rene Cruz, Amy Cruz. So ito yung mga... So they were the ones
UP na to medyo UP ang first quarter storm.
Sila, they were, marami sa kanila talagang nahasa na sa National Democratic Literature Struggle. Sa akin, kasi nga wala akong niyang activist experience, I was in a neophyte mode.
Interesting.
Basta ang sinasabi nila, I was really putting it in a...
Can you imagine Walden as a neophyte, innocent, no? Starry-eyed.
Ganyan na.
Starry-eyed lang. Pero
binasa ko na yung kay Joma. And then, yun, I ended up, na-recruit na ako sa CPP. And that began my 14 to 15 years. I was a dedicated cadre of the Communist Party of the Philippines. Cadre.
Oh, wow. So marami palang konyong na
Marami.
Princeton graduate. Yung mga
recruit, mga legends.
Oh my God.
Yung first quarter storm.
Dami parang nabudol.
Na-recount ko nga rin sa memoirs ko yan. Yung I was pag-cadre ka or cadre ka, talagang aktivista ka na todo. Wala akong, I had no permanent job.
Yeah, exactly.
All I was subsisting was